into the mix. And on the mix, we have Gracie. Now you have to go and catch this lady and listen to what she has to say because she's talking some stuff. So watch the video.
Full up them member and them mind with some of the lie them, and you do it. Do it, and it's you. Do it, and it's you. I've watched you did it on social media. Now we had a closed door. You do it right on media, yeah. And me watch you. And just because of jealousy, say Gracie don't get too popular, and you're original planker, and Gracie never an original planker, and planker people must support Gracie more, and them a watch her more. Do you know why me say you're wicked now? Show me show you why me say you're wicked, do you? Can me see your followers them roll up and down for me, you know. Me see your followers, them feel like afraid, me afraid that you don't know say I sorry, me sorry for you. Can the world know say you can't manage me, you know, the way? Can the world know say if Gracie step to the right way, you ball pan you know? But me say me nah do it because me no want to give plank of them no laugh off of you right now. But do it if you push you, make them push if you come out and do it, I will keep a show for you, don't do it. I'm sorry for you, don't do it. Don't make me take back me sorry for Anthony lick you. You're wicked against me long time. It's wicked against me. Jealous and wicked against me. Because even though you did have more followers than me on Facebook, when me go live, me did get more views than you. And most of the time when you go live, and me share out your live and make you get your views them. And you watch me during the Christmas season, my channel will grow, my page will go up. And you're jealous of your bad mind. Do you know me say you're wicked now? Come here now, do you? Remember good. You remember the same story when Lorian come out and say she record me with. Do you the night and me keep the live and me talk about it. And me say, then I say black of them stickers stomach and me cuss and me rant and me chant and me go on bad. Do you need it over here in the comment section? Do you know? You need it over here in the comment section. And you know what? So the same thing when Lorian record me. And the same thing me say on my life about that already. You did over here now. You did over here doing. You was right here. And if Lorian call me the next man and ask me, and me say the same thing me say to her bum to already for my life, I don't see no problem with what me say. Because I done the chat for my life already. So if Lorian call me next morning and set me up and record me and do it and never did come out and say I set Lorian set up Gracie. You know where you come out and say, Gracie wicked. Gracie a plan with the enemy against Dan, and you know it never goes so. Lorian, come here. You know when you do that? When me da Jamaica for my vacation. For my vacation, Lorian. When they shot there to stop with Gracie. And I said, no, leave Gracie alone. And I was like, oh, for my vacation, Lorian. And you plan with them. And you come out and you do it. And you twist Tory, tell the planker them, and through them love Tory. Through them love Nancy Tory. You turn Miss Lou and put on your bandana, you turn Tory, tell them. Doing all me feel wicked. Come here doing all my wicked. All my wicked. Remember your cuss now. I feel time your cuss. Because when me the cuss, you know. You did come and you twist Story, you know. You straighten the things, you know. Anybody say me not innocent. Come on for this, mama. You know what, I'm going to block you. You're not going to make Gracie come out tonight. Make Shamin stay. You hear? I don't want to cuss. In followers, they not come over. And anybody who not say over. Anybody who not say I come over here chat up the things them tonight. Tonight and one night, me I'm going to block them. Block them! As I went over there today. I never went with war. I never have nothing against Dwayne. I never have nothing against Dwayne. I never have nothing. Nobody never tell you say me innocent. Nobody never tell you say me innocent. Nobody never tell us that Gracie never do nothing upon you yet. Nationals, when I look during my vacation, doing go upon in life, me a show now God no like ugly, you know. And then do the things them. You see what they went doing, Cosidana? And the planka then step to him. It was my time. If you say, if me I go push him down like how he did push me down, and me I go show mercy. And me say, God, you know what? Me never not push down doing like how he did push me down, you know. Me sorry for him, leave him alone. Me say, leave him alone. I know this boy too that go step on his life say, me's a beehole, and me's a wicked. Doing all wicked. Doing all wicked. Be realistic. Who wicked doing? Which other way? Me or you wicked? Doing me must have most of the shop lady having her mind against me and you send it. You tell her the lies them and make up the story them tell her. I want to see her do the live the day. And she start talk, Gracie me hear this, Gracie me hear that, Gracie me hear this, and she never did say nothing to Gracie long time. So I just up on my live and I say mixy, she, and me never did say, me never say so. And that was a big mix-up live and I don't care who want vex today. I said it already. Because nobody couldn't come tell me nothing about Dana. Then that time nobody couldn't come tell me nothing about Dana. As much as I say me hate her them time there, nobody attack if me change can Dana know a situation change me. But them the time there, nobody couldn't come tell me nothing about Dana. Different recipient call me with Mixup. And me run them and tell them that this platform. Nobody couldn't carry Dana name come here so. But you say look why? But I ask one question, why call out Planka is doing a nasty woman. Where you me say